Rest in peace to the girl who defied the moon and stars. No longer will I abuse this heart I was taken apart. Misled down south, detoured the wrong route to a dead end of doubt. All praises are due to kings. Time to be grown, no time for childish things. With the switch of his sword, I was caught in bled. Visions of my freedom filling my head. Oh, be still my safe, thinking hard. My bloody death of the old me that's still doubt. Here I stand, reborn, shiny and new, with demons behind my back saying, who are you? My life, so what I thought that I knew, felt like deja vu of a million past wounds. Oh Yahweh, I reminisce of me and you prior to the womb, before I was introduced. You don't understand, this is more than grace, this is more than just being saved. Looking for sin, woken to Elohim, then Christ Yeshua burned his way in. You don't understand, this is more than grace, this is more than just being saved. Looking for sin, woken to Elohim, then Christ Yeshua burned his way in. My warrior, she was awakened. My identity no longer mistaken nor forsaken. I will not be contained nor tamed. I will save, I will enlighten and liberate the enslaved. So I chose the helmet of salvation. This form of abortion erased religious distortion. My thoughts grew fierce and bold like thoughts of my Christ dying for this soul. Yahweh made this mouth sharp like his sword.